pictures. Who are those people? Okay, let's open it. It looks like
Rowan, what do you got, buddy?
scissors.
What did Santa bring? What is it, Rowan?
Look at this. Look.
What is that? What is it, Rowan?
What is it, Roro?
That's from you.
What is it? Is it a fire station?
Okay. I opened the box. Let's see. I don't know.
What's in there, Ainsley?
What did Santa give you?
Can you open it? Can you open it?
Sure, we can open it.
Carrots.
Wow, Terrence. We haven't seen a lot of him, have we?
And potato. And corn. Can I see what's in there? Peppermint. And what's this name?
Here in just a sec.
One at a time.
Rowan, do you want to open up your fire station?
You open them.
Yeah.
All right, we'll open up the fire station.